Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is going to be bacon wrapped jalapeno chilies, otherwise known as ABTs, and apparently ABT stands for Atomic Buffalo Turds, but rest assured they taste better than they sound. First we prep the chili peppers. Simply cut in half, leaving the stalks attached, and using a knife or a spoon take the seeds and the pith out. I don't know if it's me or just the fact I live in the UK, but getting hold of jalapeno chilies is quite difficult, especially the large ones. So if anybody knows where I can get some large jalapeno chili peppers, please let me know in the comments below. It was at this part of the proceedings when the incident occurred, when my wife stopped filming to go to use the toilet. And being the caring husband that I am, after a minute or two I went up to the door and said, "You have washed your hands, haven't you?" To get the indignant reply, "I always wash my hands after going to the toilet." It was then I pointed out she'd be better off washing her hands before she went to the toilet. She did reply to this, but I couldn't quite make it out as the jalapenos had started to bite. For decency's sake, I'll skip over what happened next. But just be advised, when you're working with chilies, wash your hands before and after you go to the toilet. Anyway, on with the recipe. Next we make the filling. Put the cream cheese, cheddar cheese, garlic powder and smoked paprika into a bowl and thoroughly combine. If it looks like there's a lot of filling here, that's because I'm doubling up. I'm going to use them in a different recipe. But if you follow the list of ingredients, you should have enough for 10 to 12 jalapeno chilies, depending on the size of them, of course. When the filling is ready, it's time to fill in the chili peppers. Simply using a teaspoon, put as much filling into the chili peppers as you can get away with. For the sake of clarity, we do one a bit closer. When all the jalapenos are stuffed, simply take a rasher of bacon and roll up into sausage shapes. For love nor money can I remember what they call streaky bacon in the US. Though in my memory these days it's probably streaky bacon. We'll do another one in a loving close-up. And when all the jalapenos are ready, it's off to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 30 minutes or until the bacon is crispy. These of course can be served hot or cold, preferably with a cold beer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.